Welcome to our demonstration where we push today's inductive couplers to their limits and see who really delivers in contactless power transmission. Inductive transmission creates a strong magnetic field between two coils, and that generates heat. Mounting on metal helps dissipate heat and keep performance high. Gap and alignment also matter. As distance increases, power drops. That's basic physics. But industrial devices need a stable 24-volt supply and the widest possible working range, something that many inductive couplers can't keep stable. NearFi is different. It actively regulates the transmission to keep power constant across the full operating range. With inductive technology, bigger housings mean more power. For best performance, inductive couplers must be mounted on metal. Let's compare two standard inductive couplers with NearFi. These large couplers claim 240 watt, but only under perfect lab conditions, with no offset, no air gap and 10-degree ambient temperature. In real application, it delivers about 50 watt, with a larger size and less flexibility than NearFi. Also, the devices need to be transmit nearly in touch with a very small air gap of round about 2 mm. The small units deliver around 40 watt. But voltage drops with every millimeter of distance. Far below a stable 24-volt supply. NearFi stands out. It keeps a stable voltage across the entire range, even at 50-degree ambient temperature. Adding a second NearFi link doubles the power with no loss in range. Another advantage is that NearFi couplers are easy to diagnose from all directions with a green LED ring compared to the other devices. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.